This is the shocking truth about the jack-o'-lantern. A festive plant second only to the Christmas tree, the jack-o'-lantern's crooked smile can be found adorning the doorsteps of homes across America each Hallows Eve. The first jack-o'-lanterns weren't carved from pumpkins, but from turnips or potatoes that looked something like this. Ugh. Yes, the first jack-o'-lanterns were less fun-scary and more scary-scary. But how did any of this even get started to begin with? The modern jack-o'-lantern is derived from an old Irish folktale, the legend of Stingy Jack. It tells of a man called Jack who trapped the devil in a coin and released him under the condition that he never be sent to hell. When Stingy Jack finally died, God turned him away from heaven for his deceitfulness and, still unable to go to hell, he returned to earth where he wanders through the night with only a burning coal placed inside of a turnip to light his path. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the highest number of lit jack-o'-lanterns ever placed on simultaneous display was 30,581 pumpkins by the city of Keene, New Hampshire, in the fall of 2013. Meanwhile, the record for the largest jack-o'-lantern ever carved is held by Scott Cully from the Bronx, New York, who in 2010 carved a gargantuan jack-o'-lantern from a pumpkin weighing 1,810 pounds. Talk about a great pumpkin. This has been the shocking truth about the jack-o'-lantern. From all of us here at Dherbs, good night.